Picture this, you're about to make a token swap and you check one DEX, the price looks okay, but you check another DEX and it's slightly better. Then another and even better. Before you know it, you've opened five tabs or probably opened a lot of decentralized applications and you've wasted 10 minutes and you're still not sure which DEX gives the best rate. But what if you could compare all DEX prices instantly just in one place? And that's exactly what the DefiLlama Swap Aggregator does. And let me show you how to use it. So, welcome back to SMC Tutors. And on today's tutorial, we'll be looking at how to use the DefiLlama Swap Aggregator. But before we continue, if you find our content helpful, do well to buy our educational token WikiCat. It is built on the Binance Smart Chain, and the contract address is in the description of this video. Now let's get started. So the DefiLlama Swap Aggregator is a simple tool that compares token prices across multiple DEXs, finds the cheapest and most efficient route, and reduces slippage and fees. Works across several blockchains. Think of it as a kayak or Google flight, but just majorly for crypto swaps. And before we get to continue on this video, you must have a Web3 based wallet, either your MetaMask, OKX Wallet, or Rabbi. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be using my OKX Wallet, and you definitely need funds in the token you want to swap and gas fees for the network you are trading on. So let's head over to my OKX Web3 wallet, and I click on it, and I refresh. I go to the Explore option and I go over into the DefiLlama, and you use the DefiLlama Swap, and you go to the DefiLlama Swap. So it's swap.defilllama.com. You connect your wallet through here. So let me just connect it again. Connect your wallet through here, your OKX wallet. And voila, I've connected my wallet. And you could see the chain you'd want to be on, if you'd want to be on Ethereum or Arbitrum 1 or Polygon. But for this video, I'll be using Polygon, and I would be swapping across Polygon and buying probably a token. Let's say I would go with quick swap yet again. And it is very, very easy to select a blockchain you want, the token you want to swap from, and the token you want to receive, and enter the amount. Let's say I just probably need about 10% of what I've got, and it shows I sell this to buy this. And you could definitely select the aggregator you want, because DefiLlama will automatically calculate the best route price, impact, minimum received fees, and liquidity source. So I could select an aggregator. I think say the best aggregator right now is the CowSwap. You could definitely see it gets to show you different aggregators here, and I choose on the CowSwap, and I click on swap via CowSwap. Slippage for others than CowSwap needs to be higher than 0.5. Let's change this up to 0.51, and you select the aggregator again, and CowSwap, and I click on swap via CowSwap, and it takes me here. I confirm this transaction, and yes, transaction submitted and transaction confirmed and transaction success. So swap Polygon to quick via CowSwap using the DefiLlama aggregator, because it gives the best option for you to pick which aggregator you definitely want to use. Now, why would you want to use DefiLlama? Because it's very transparent and it shows all routes clearly, and it finds cheaper swaps. Yeah, it definitely finds cheaper swap and supports main chains and tokens for your convenience, and it's very fast and easy to use. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the SMC Tutors YouTube channel.